Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Will you briefly introduce yourself?
My name is Sujal Arwarkar and I belong to Varta Sattari, Goa, and I have completed my graduation in mathematics subject from Goa University. I have a keen interest in public administrations and social service, which motivates me to prepare for the civil services.
That's good. Why do you want to join the civil services?
So, I believe civil services provide a unique opportunity to directly contribute to the nation buildings. Through this role, I can ensure effective implementations of policies, bring reforms at the grassroots, and address issues like education, health, and social justice. It gives me a platform to serve people beyond personal interests.
Okay. Suppose you are posted in a district with frequent droughts. What step would you take to manage the crisis?
So, I would ensure immediate relief measures such as provisioning of drinking water, food supplies, and healthcare. Simultaneously, I would focus on long term solutions like promoting water conservation techniques, watershed management, encouraging drought resistant crops, and involving local communities in planning with NGOs. And technology driven monitoring would also be important. So, I would focus on that.
Good approach. Let's move to current affairs. Recently, there has been a debate about balancing development with environmental conservation. What's your opinion?
So I believe development and environment should go hand in hand. Sustainable development is the key. While infrastructure and industrial growth are important, they should not come at the cost of deforestation, pollutions, or displacement of communities. Adopting renewable energy, eco-friendly technology, and strict environmental regulations will help to balance both aspects.
That's insightful. Now tell me, what qualities do you think a civil servant must possess?
Uh, in my opinion, the civil servant must possess the qualities like integrity, impartiality, empathy, and leadership. A civil servant must also have the decision making ability, administrative efficiency, and strong communication skills to handle diverse challenges effectively.
Okay, let's test your decision making. Imagine you are the district collector and there has been a sudden protest by local farmers regarding land acquisition. How will you handle the situation?
So, first, I will ensure law and order without using excessive force. Then, I will engage in dialogue with the farmers to understand their grievances. I would also communicate the government's positions clearly and explore solutions like fair compensations, rehabilitations, and alternative livelihood options. Transparency and trust building will be my priority.
Well handled. Now tell me, how will you deal with stress during preparation or in life?
I usually maintain a balanced routine with exercise, meditations, and readings. I also take short breaks to stay refreshed. Staying focused on the larger goals and practicing self discipline help me to manage stress effectively.
Excellent. Before we conclude, what is the vision if you become a civil servant?
Uh, my vision is to contribute to more inclusive and transparent governance systems where benefits of government reach the last persons in the society. I aim to promote education, women empowerment, and environmental sustainability while ensuring effective policy implementations.
Thank you for your thoughtful answer. We wish you the best for your journey.
Thank you, sir. I was honored to interacting with you.